Hey guys, Survival here, and have I got a treat for you. The long-awaited, much asked for Prepper Self-Assessment PDF form is here. So what we have is a PDF form which is primarily checkboxes which you can just click and that will activate that option as being selected. It will automatically generate a score telling you how complete percentage-wise your preparedness is based on this form. So I just want to show you a few things. So first of all, where you see, for example, store size, store duration, how many people, these type of options, you only need to select one of them per category. So your store size, is it small, medium or large? Simply select one of them. The same goes for store duration and how many people. The calculation of your percentage has factored the selection of only one entry in these options into its calculation. That way, you get an accurate percentage, selecting only the required option. Everything else, simply select everything that applies to you. So this is the first page. We do ask that you understand that this is only a tool to assist you with assessing your preparedness. It is not complete and it is not perfect. Use at your own risk. This is the second page, just plenty more options and things that need to be catered for. You need to think about including or having an alternative to. And here is the last page of the form. One other thing to keep in mind, as with options such as store size, defendability good and defendability bad, simply select the one that applies to your circumstances, and the selection of only one of these two has been factored in to the current percentage field. The current percentage field is an automatically calculated field. The unique/bonus factor is there so you can detail your unique bonus factor, which is something that sets you apart from others. This could be a great telecommunications capabilities, really great off-grid power system. Really, sky's the limit. Simply click it and type in. Every time you hit enter, it'll take you to a new line. When you hit enter again, it'll simply shrink the font. Try to keep it concise and to the point, as it will keep shrinking the font, so as that everything typed in will print. I'm just going to click a few of these options just to show you the current percentage that it gets calculated. So as you can see, the percentage, it's going up. It's kind of slow. It's not all that fast in its increase. However, as you go through it, it will improve. It will increase. So as you can see, it calculates a percentage. The more options that you select, the higher the percentage. Simply enter the date here. It doesn't matter which part of the world you're in. You've got 3 fields here to fill them in the order you like. So as long as you've got a day, month and a year, the order doesn't matter. Manually enter them, print it out, sign this, and keep it for your reference. What this will allow is you to have multiple different assessments that you've performed by yourself, and you can see how you've progressed throughout time. In case you're wondering, this 4th page here was left in place as we may add some more functionality to this general publicly available assessment. However, in our professional assessments, this and a few other pages generate detailed reports and an assessment certificate. So we decided to leave this page in for now, as we may make a general self-assessment certificate that gets auto-generated in a future version of this tool. So there you go, guys. A very valuable tool. I strongly suggest that everyone does an assessment of their own situation, and I hope that you find this tool useful in helping you improve your preparedness. Please remember, it is not covering absolutely everything. It is only a guide, and I sincerely hope this helps you. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, leave it in the comments below, and we will do our best to get back to you. And remember, stay safe in the bush.